Like strangers on the floor, both pretending we've been here before. Every word just fades to smoke, every promise halfway broke. And I don't need to hide the scars, they're just proof of who we are. You reach for me, I turn away. Still I hope you want me to stay. Hurt so slow in your shadow glow. Love cuts deep, but I can't let go. We break apart just to feel whole. Hurt so slow, it saves my soul. Your voice drips gold in the dark, still it trembles through my heart. We drown in quiet, side by side. No words left, just compromise. Maybe healing looks like this, a quiet fall into the abyss. Every tear becomes a hymn, fading gently, soft and dim. Hurt so slow in your shadow glow. Love cuts deep, but I can't let go. We break apart just to feel whole. Hurt so slow, it saves my soul. Don't speak, just breathe me in. Every ending's where we begin. Let the pain be what it is. I'll find the peace in this.